How to use Gemini without downloading. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to use Gemini and without downloading it on a device, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So make sure you follow every step mentioned in the video and don't miss any. So first thing first, open any browser. Here let me open Google Chrome. Now tap on the search box located on top of your screen. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed us, please subscribe us. And once you do that, simply type Gemini and then search for it. And here on top of your screen, you will find this option Google Gemini. So tap on it. And here on bottom of your screen, you will find this box. So here simply tap on it and then type for your queries. So type whatever you want to ask and then send it to Gemini. And within a few seconds, Gemini will successfully answering your questions. So this is how you can use Gemini without downloading it on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.